FindTube AI is a website that allows you to search YouTube to discover curated educational videos organized by difficulty and duration. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to go with one of the recommended videos they've got here, which is how to cook a steak. Now, of course, this is something that is quite subjective, or maybe it's not, depending on how you see things. But we're going to see exactly what FindTube gives us here. So we can see here at the bottom that FindTube is actually powered by Gemini. Okay, and we've got a whole host of videos. I actually quite like this. I think this card interface is a lot better than YouTube's search results engine, which shows the videos like well, it basically spans the cards that show the videos horizontally. I quite like this version. So we've got short, medium, and long, and even extended. We've got some videos of Gordon Ramsay, of course. We got Gordon Ramsay and Matthew McConaughey. Okay, cool stuff. How to cook the perfect steak. Amazing. Now, I think this is very useful. You can actually change the sort of filters in terms of like what's the level of understanding. So we've got, primary school, we've got middle school, we've got university, and I don't know anyone who's graduated in learning how to cook steaks, hence why I think this hasn't given any results. But in any case, you could use this for anything you're trying to learn. Very cool stuff. And yeah, I think YouTube is a great resource. YouTube is how I learned how to play the guitar back when I had a modestly successful music career. YouTube is, how I learned a lot of my AI content, and now I'm in a privileged position.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Well, I consult for the biggest corporations in the world. So yeah, this can be a very useful tool. Great way to sift through a whole bunch of different kind of videos and make sure you get what's going to give you the most amount of signal over the noise. So definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you.